Good morning. Welcome to another short episode of Dead Gun Fishing. I have a half an hour and I'm trying to fish this piece of creek right now. I threw in a jerkbait and now I'm throwing just a jig to see if I can get a bite. I have a craw in the back, Zoom Speed craw. I think the jig itself has a reaction tackle, probably half an ounce. The current is strong here, so I'm trying to see, maybe this is not the best place, but there's a shade in the bridge and somehow I suspect that they're gonna be there waiting. There's a slack pool over there that I can try, but it's in the sun, so I have my suspicions that it might not work. So like I said, I haven't had the jig in a long time. Used it, I don't know what to expect. I want to throw it that way, but not exactly. 2, 3. It's a small spoon. River fish get the spoons occasionally, and I'm on the height, so I can jig it a little bit, see if I can get a reaction strike out of them. Can get a reaction strike if the hook is caught on the line. If the hook keeps getting hot on the line, just throw it out there. I am pitching it right now. Oh, I got somebody. Oh, he came off. But it definitely hit somebody. Let's see if it happens again. Can't believe it came off. It's probably not going to work anymore. Definitely action. I think it was a little smallie or something, but you know what? I take any fish. I want to try to throw it from over here because there might be somebody in here on these shallows. Whoops. Thank God. Still mine. There's a laydown over there. Might be somebody interesting. Uh-oh. No. Since I only have one rod on me right now, it just takes a little bit of time. So gotta count for 2 or 3 minutes of nonsense of dealing with the line, in dealing with the lures. So, shaky head, the same one as I used yesterday to catch a smallie. Same one today. If I can put it on. How about along? About 10 minutes before we need to go. And I'm going shallow right now. You got him. I knew he was hiding in there. Oh, look at him. That is a... Okay, the release is not going to be easy. But sorry. All right. Well, that panned out. Thank you, shaky hand. I still can use this worm. Let's see. Is there anybody else in this hidey hole? It's kind of, I don't want to say obvious, but it looked like that hidey hole could hold somebody. There's slack water. It's perfect for hiding. There's a laydown over there. That's just how we analyze it. Is there anybody else that likes my nice juicy worm? That's what it means, hitting the spots with high probability. I mean, the other ones are over there, but unfortunately... Oh! Oh! Another one? He's still on? He's still on. Oh no. He's still on. Come here. Hello, friend. Nope. Ooh. Stop it. Whoops. Wow. He came off, and I hope I recorded that whole tumble down, because that was freaking awesome. I think they just lifted it up and go. Okay. Well, thank you folks for joining me. Or at least looking at my video. It's appreciated. I'll get to it. I have about 5 videos that are left with me. I haven't even posted yet, so thank you. Have a great day of fishing if you're out there, and tight finds.